Hello Pajeros, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Pajero third seat row. Why I'm removing, that is, I have a lot of camping stuff over here and the toolbox and many things. While I'm doing off-roading, I will getting more weight on there. And the other thing also, I'm not much using my third seat row for even the on-road and off-road. So I'm going to show you today, after removing the things I can occupy over that space. And other thing also, it will be help for you reducing your weight if you are not using much the third seat row. Come with me, I'll show you how to do it. As you can see, a lot of stuff. Okay, first step, what we have to do, we have to remove these ones and keep in aside. Okay, here is a third seat row. From here, what we have to remove from this, we have to unlock this cap, remove it, and also here is one more. Alright, then when you're pulling out your seat, there is a lock over here. Before you getting over here, so you have to pull it out the seat. Okay, as a second step, we have to take out the seat and pull out from the lock. Come, I'll show you. You get out the seat over here to the front, and from the lock, it's easily removing. You can see easy releasing over there. 1, 2, 3. Then whenever you want to put it back the seat, it is the same way. Okay, so you have to keep in the same lock over there and pull it inside, and it will be rotated to the inside. Got it? Alright, so now I'm going to remove this one, then I'll put my camping stuff. Let's see. Now I have a lot of space and my recovery pole over here, the tools. I'm going to use this space